Anhui Hotian Windows and Doors Company Limited is a comprehensive company specializing in UPVC, PVC, aluminum windows and doors, designing and exporting, which office is located in Shushan Zone, Hefei City, Anhui Province, China. Our associated factory is located in Huainan City, Anhui Province. It has introduced lots of advanced equipment from overseas with a group of experienced producing and managing workers to ensure the quality of your products. Besides, it has built a complete set of quality control system according to ISO 9001. Our products has obtained standard certifications like CE, NFRC. By now, the office and production area occupies 7,000 square meters. Annual production capacity, 300,000 square meters. We can provide energy-efficient and eco-friendly windows and doors with different profiles, colors, and sizes for residential and business building of domestic and abroad projects. We are the comprehensive windows and doors system exporter in Anhui Province. With the power of export independently, we has exported products to Panama, Nigeria, Chile, India, Germany, the US, Spain, the UK, etc. We are always keeping the quality first as our company tenant and trying hard to be the best supplier in windows and doors industry based on our first-class design, technology, equipments. Therefore, we have been receiving many recommendations from customers. We are looking forward to your visit and will always be your reliable supplier and partner.